Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Srinivasan, software developer. We are looking into SQLite Database tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain what is binary collation is. So binary collation is one of the collation in SQLite, and you can see I am going to use this. I'm going to create this simple table which has three columns, and one of the column in the one of the column I explicitly mentioned specified that binary collation. um, I applied binary collation on the column, but I did not specify in the name column, right? But both in both columns, when we create after the table is created, in both column the collation binary collation is applied. How? Because even we did not specify the binary collation explicitly in the column when we create the table. By default SQLite, by default when we create the table in SQLite, all the columns are in all the columns the binary collation is applied, will be applied, sorry. So that's what it means. And yeah, now we are going to create the table. The table is created. I'm going to insert these four rows. Yeah, all rows are inserted. Yeah, now we have a result. So name and name 2, um, the column value of the column name and values of the column name 2 are same uh, in all the rows. So now we are going to give the condition where name equal to name 2. So when I execute, so we are getting the same result, which means even we did not specify the binary collation when we create on in the column when we create the table, it is also a binary collation applied column. So how the so by default when we filter, when we do when we do filters, when we do give conditions, and when we do order, when we do grouping in when querying in SQLite database. So by default all things are happening by binary collation. Like for example, when we compare this name equal to name 2, what it will do is, so it will take the value and it will convert to binary, and it will take this value also, it will convert it convert to the binary value. So the binary comparison is will be happen. Okay, the numeric values, one zeros, right? So so numeric values, so binary means numeric values actually. So the comparison will be made by the numeric value, not ROCK. So first of all, it will convert this value into binary and this value into binary. Then it will compare and it will give the result. So by default, all the things happening in SQLite uh, using binary collation. Okay, so we no need to specify explicitly binary collation for any column. Okay, even you specify or you did not specify, it is that column is in um, binary collation mode. Okay, so you need to specify when you're going to apply the no case collation or r trim collation. In that case, in that scenario, so you need to specify explicitly when we create the table. So this is what binary collation is. And I hope you understand the topic, you understand the binary collation in this video. And yeah, in the next video I'll come up with a different topic of SQLite database tutorial. And yeah, if you like this video, please share and subscribe press the bell icon, and and if you enjoy this video, so you can comment in the comment section. uh, yeah, bye. Thank you.